Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY jewelry organizer. So this whole project cost $8 and all I did was go to Walmart and get a bead organizer. This is just an acrylic organizer. It was a little over $7. And then I got some felt to go on the bottom inside. So this is what it looks like. I wanted something with very straight, clean edges, just a nice sleek look to it. And then I got this black felt from the dollar store. And you actually get a good amount, and I bought 2 plastic containers and 1 roll of felt, and I had more than enough to do both of them with this. And then just get some scissors and a ruler if you want to. So I just took the ruler and measured how big each little square was, and then I used the paper from the felt that was holding it as a roll and just cut a little pattern to make my squares. So I set it on the felt. I just made sure if I needed to cut the sides a little bit, if the square got a little off size, I just did that. But it just depends on your preference. You could measure each square individually and draw a line on it if you wanted to. Then I cut out all of my squares, and as you can see, the box I got, one of them was a little bit larger, so I just made one that was 4 squares long and put it in there. And then that's it. So it's pretty simple. One thing that I think I will do eventually is go with some double stick tape and put that underneath so that the black felt cannot move. But for right now, it does do the job perfectly the way it is. So I took all my necklaces, which as you can see were just in this clear acrylic organizer, and they were all tangled together and just kind of thrown in a drawer. And I put them in each individual box so that I can better visualize what I have and keep everything untangled and separate. And here's the final product. I think it looks really great, really high-end and expensive for only $8. Thanks so much guys for watching. Please like, comment, and to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram at Art by Abigail D.